Hello everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching. Today I will be making some winter DIYs using mostly Dollar Tree items. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up. And now let's craft. Alright, starting with my first project, I will be using two of these Dollar Tree shelves. Now, I did lose the footage to most of this, but I am going to tell you what I did. I grabbed both of these shelves and glued them together using a combination of wood glue and hot glue. I then used one of the strings or the rope that came with these, and I thread them one on each side, and that is basically it. The last thing I did was add little hangers to this, which I ended up not liking it, so I removed them. But that is it for this quick and easy decorative tray. For my next project, I will be using this Dollar Tree snow globe, which I'm going to remove the string and the front part of this. I thought I was going to use the front, but I ended up using the back instead. To paint the snow globe, I will be using this folk art paint in the color Fresh Earth, and I got this from Hobby Lobby. Now I'm only painting the bottom, and I'm going to paint like an inch or maybe an inch and a half around the globe. Gave this 2 coats of the paint. Now for the center of the globe, I will be using some white chalk paint. And this is how it looks now. So it doesn't look so flat, I'm going to use a piece of scent and sand out all the edges and inside the globe. Then using a wet napkin, or actually more like a damp napkin, I'm going to remove all the little dust or sand or the paint off. And I actually like how this made it look. And because I didn't make this even, I will be adding this nautical Dollar Tree rope around the globe, and this is going to hide all my imperfections. I didn't go around the whole globe because this is the only piece I had left over, but to hide that part at the bottom, I will be using some of these Dollar Tree pine picks. Going to add one on each side. I will be adding a bow in the center, but first I'm going to add family blessings. I did use my Cricut to cut this, but I'm showing you here that you can use one of these Dollar Tree family wood signs. To make the bow, I will be using this Dollar Tree burlap ribbon, and this is how easy I made the bow. Last thing I will be doing is adding this little clip at the top, and then I'm going to add a picture of me and my family, or my family and I, and that is it. Look how cute and beautiful this snow globe turned out. For my next project, I will be using 2 packs of these dangling snowflakes and this wood slat. I'm going to start by taking these snowflakes apart. Now Dollar Tree already carries the packs where the snowflakes come already loose, so you can use that pack instead. Now I'm going to start by painting the wood slat using the same fresh earth color I used earlier. And I'm going to paint the snowflakes using some white chalk paint. There is a total of 8 snowflakes, 4 come in each pack. Now I'm going to only use 6 snowflakes for this project, and I'm going to start by gluing these together. I'm going to make a row of 3 snowflakes, and then on top of that I will be gluing 2. And on top of these 2, I will be gluing the last one, which I am making a tree, as you can see. I forgot to mention that I'm also using 3 Jenga blocks that I painted the same color as the wood slat. And I will be using the Jenga blocks so the snowflake can stand up. To decorate this, I will be using these Dollar Tree pine picks. Now this is also going to give it some support because the pine picks are going to be glued to the snowflake and to the Jenga blocks and the wood slat. To finish this off, I will be adding a bow, and I use the Dollar Tree burlap. And that is it for this beautiful snowflake tree. For my next project, I will be using the 2 leftover snowflakes and this window decor that I got from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to paint the snowflakes white, and using whatever was left over from the fresh earth paint on the paintbrush, I'm going to slightly paint the window. And this is how the window looks after it's dry. Now the next thing I will be doing is gluing the snowflakes. I'm going to start with gluing one of them first. And as you can see, I am going to glue him on the back of the window facing forward. The second snowflake, I will be cutting it, and this is going to make the window look like it has more snowflakes because I'm going to add them like on the sides. To decorate this some more, I will be adding this small little wreath that I got last year from Target from the Dollar Spot 3 came in a pack. Now I am going to just glue this together so it looks fuller and add it to the window. Then I'm going to add a small little bow. To finish it off, I will be adding beads to the hanger that came with this, and then add the hanger. And that is it, guys. Look how beautiful this turned out. And that is it for these quick and easy winter DIYs. Let me know down in the comment section which one was your favorite, because I would love to know. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, bye.